So effect of the catalyst. So in the presence of catalyst, the activation energy of the reaction decreases. So without catalyst, this graph. With catalyst, this graph. Without catalyst, the threshold energy increases, activation energy increases. In the presence of catalyst, activated energy decreases. So reaction is going fast. A catalyst will not affect energy of reactant and energy of product. A catalyst will not affect energy of reactants and energy of product. Not affect. A catalyst not affect delta H. Delta H mean heat of reaction. Heat of reaction mean energy of products minus energy of reactant. So catalyst does not affect the energy of reactant and product and also heat of reaction. Then what happen? Catalyst, if we use a catalyst, affects activation energy of the reaction. A catalyst affects the activation energy of the reaction. Activation energy decreases by the catalyst. And also a catalyst affect the rate of reaction. So catalyst can be affects only two factors. The rate of the reaction increases by using catalyst, and also a catalyst decreases the activation energy. EA decreased by using a catalyst. Now, so if you take Arrhenius, from Arrhenius equation, catalyst effect, so K equal to A into e power minus EA by RT. So K rate constant in the presence of catalyst. P mean presence of catalyst, rate constant. Kp mean rate constant of catalyst in the presence of catalyst, equal to A into e power activation energy in the presence of catalyst by RT. So K mean rate constant. So rate constant in the presence of catalyst, this is equation 1, and rate constant in the absence of catalyst, equal to A into e power minus EA by RT. Here this capital A represents in the absence of catalyst activation energy. EP represents in the presence of catalyst, in the presence of catalyst activation energy. So this is equation 2, this is equation 1. By dividing equation 1 by 2, we will get this Kp by Ka equal to e power Ep minus EA capital EA by RT. So here Kp is the reaction constant in the presence of catalyst by reaction constant in the absence of catalyst, equal to e power activation energy in the presence of product. Activation energy in the presence of catalyst minus activation energy in the absence of catalyst by RT. If you apply Ln value, we will get to Kp by Ka equal to delta E by RT. Delta E equal to the difference between activation energies of in the presence of catalyst minus in the absence of catalyst. Now log Kp by Ka equal to delta E by 2.303 RT. So if you apply anti-log, that is delta E by 2.303 RT Kp by Ka. So this is the equation, the ratio of rate constants in the presence of catalyst in the absence of catalyst. So this is the effect of catalyst. In the presence of catalyst, activation energy of reaction decreases, then rate of the reaction increases. Next factor, surface of reactants. Surface of reactants. As the surface area of reactants increases, rate of the reaction increases. As the surface area of reactants increases, rate of the reaction increases. Generally, powders mean amorphous powders, reactants surface area is more, then rate of the reaction also more. If you take in solid lumps, the reaction is slow. In the powdered form, reaction is more because surface area is more. Now example, exposure of reaction in the presence of light, in the absence of light. If you see hydrogen and chlorine reaction, hydrogen chlorine when react to give HCl, slow reaction because in the absence of sunlight. If same reaction takes place in the presence of sunlight, exposure to the sunlight, the reaction is fast. The reaction is fast mean rate is affected in the presence of light. light mean UV rays or IRS, anything. So energy sources, if we apply, rate of the reaction increases. So